Location 1's a bust because it was packed to people. Location 2 is very busy as well because there's guys, well there's 6 rods on that jetty. So here I am, trying to put in somewhere to get some fishing done. It's a bit breezy. As you can see, it is just a little bit breezy. Let's see what today brings, eh? I have no idea how the volume's going to sound on this, or the audio's going to sound even, because it's just a little bit windy and it is blowing just a small bit of a gale, but it ain't so bad. I've got the kettle on, I've got the rods in, so let's see what we can catch today. But first, I'm going to have a cup of coffee and a cigar. The wind isn't slowing up any. I've got 3 rods spread out. I am literally having to cast with 5-ounce leads, not these ones, distance ones, just to punch through the wind. There's anglers that's just directly opposite me. There's like a cattle barge. You can see anglers bivvied up. So it makes me think that there's maybe something on in the Erne system this weekend, because the first place I went to had, like, it must have been, well, it had 3 rod pods that I could see, plus bank sticks. I've arrived down here and there's 2 rod pods on the jetty beside me, plus bank sticks. So there is a lot of pike anglers on the water today. Poor weather hasn't kept them off, so it's not a bad thing. At least people are getting out fishing and enjoying the great outdoors. Managed to get my 3rd rod in through the cracks in the concrete of the stone slabs here, so it's not exactly level. So all you OCD types that watch my videos, you're just going to freak out if I showed it to you, because it's something like this here with the rod kind of in the middle. You guys with your spirit levels on top of your buzz bars, yeah, it doesn't really work here. Not that I did done well. But it's all good. Got my cup of coffee. I'm thinking about making some breakfast now. Nice fried bacon sandwich. Can't go wrong with a fried bacon buddy. And then I'm going to see, I'm debating in my head whether to put on a bait that's popped up. Because the wind's straight into my face, it's going to push all the crap, the flotsam and jetsam across the water into this bay. This prey fish should follow this, well, they should be pushed into here. So putting stuff on like a popped up bait, if the current is pushing towards you, you have a risk of that bait getting tangled up in the cast or kind of blown back on top of yourself. I have had it in the past where I've cast a bait and it looked to be going out, you know, perfectly, but when I brung it back in, this was when I was using internal pop-ups like the balsa sticks, when I used to use them, you know, years ago. I don't know, whatever, maybe it was the way it was falling through the water column, it kind of wrapped around itself. I don't know why it does that or why it did that, but ever since that, as a teenager, I've been paranoid about throwing popped up baits in very, very windy conditions. Now, some of the best pike I've ever caught have come from really stormy, windy, crap conditions, and they've come from using popped up baits. So it's like a method I know works, but I'm cautious about using it all the time, all at the same time. I have a bluey, a trout, and a bull mackerel on, and I'm about to kind of give the trout some juice to make it special. But I'm going to finish my coffee before I do anything, because that kind of using the van, as you can see, is like a windbreak. It's just a bit grim in the wind. shit happens. Right, pop up this pollen, not pollen, bluey. So take the trace in. They're very oily fish at the best of times, so they smell kind of oily all the time anyway. Here I have my pop-ups. These are the marine halibut pop-ups, but they've been sitting in a nice healthy glug of salmon oil. Well, this is the salmon oil ones. There's other ones that's been glugged up in mackerel oil just to give them that bit extra of a taste. So I think I'm going to use 2 to pop this up. So I'm going to take 2. Put them onto my threading or my bait needle. And instead of using a length of purpose cut trace wire, I've just got some rigging wire here. This rigging wire is going to be, I'm going to cut the top of this bait off, probably about here. This is going to take the 2 oiled up pop-ups. I'm going to get out a stop. So that they don't fly off. This is easier to do when your hands aren't frozen. Pull it back through the fish. I'm going to connect it to this little clip. This is very, very fiddly. Okay, there we go. Length of wire, and then we're going to cut this off here, and that's going to be my popped up bit. So let's and you can see that there's guts coming out of that already. That's good. That means that the fish are going to smell it really easy. So let's get this bad boy cast out. As you can see here, I have a wee roach that's been dyed yellow or orange. So let's just take it down. food, I've got some brioche bread. Then I'll have another cup of coffee. Because today it's shaping up to be brutal. They just lead you off here. Not better, that's nice, better. What a day! Pike just yet, it's still early. It's still blowing a gale, and I haven't hit a rock. It's definitely a cold day. It's like cold as burnt logs. This is the reason why thermal gear is so important. Clothing is so important for anglers. We tended to, especially pike anglers, we tend to neglect ourselves quite a lot. You know, how many of us, can't be bothered bringing something to eat with us, so we pick up crap sandwiches from a service station, or a couple of cans of juice or something. Hot drinks, the ability to make a hot drink like a kettle or a stove or whatever. For me, in a cold day, I have to have the hot liquids going in all the time. Even if it's cups of tea, or if it's like those stupid soup things that you add the water to, like the soup cups. Those are good too. There's but that's food and water. Like a day would start before you even leave, you'd have to put yourself in the proper clothing. Now, I'm going to say Fox Chunk because that's the brand that I picked up. I picked up the Fox Chunk thermal. They're like long johns and like a thin top. Cracking, brilliant. I think for the set it was 30 quid for the set, or 25 quid plus 5 postage, so 30 quid for argument's sake. Now, Daiwa do them, Sundridge do them, Nash do them. I mean, pick a tackle company and they will do thermal base there. However, one thing these all have in common is the angling tax, fishing tax. Stick a fancy logo on something and you can charge an extra tenner. So when you're going to buy your thermal stuff, don't neglect going to your local discount sports stores and picking up hiking or mountaineering or stuff like that, base layer stuff. It's exactly the same. Very often it's cheaper. I mean, not to push any brands, you know, but there is brands out there. I mean, people kind of write them off because they're kind of very cheap. Clothing is clothing. Long johns, whether they are made by, whether they have a Fox label or an Ash label or a Carrymore label, do the same job no matter what label is stitched into them. So it doesn't have to be expensive to kit yourself out right. So shop around. After your base layer, now, I would be honest, I would wear a pair of boxer shorts, then the long johns, then the light top, then a t-shirt and a pair of tracksuit bottoms. If it's a really cold day, I would wear 2 pairs of socks, a thin pair and a thicker pair. Good thermal boots, be they walking boots or be they muck boots, or the boots that you can walk in and to keep your feet warm are essential. The good thing about layers of clothing is if it's too warm you can take a layer off. If you just go out with, you know, one big woolen hoodie, woolen jacket, sweat at night time makes that cold. So if you've worn it all day, it's not going to do you any good if you want to, especially if you're going to sleep overnight in the bivvy. I mean, getting out of the clothes that you've worn all day is important. I'm getting the little list of docks on my popped up Bluey. The drop arm goes like that there a couple of times now. I'm not sure if it's the wind slamming into it, but I might have to investigate it a bit further. But back to the clothing. You see the clothing that I'm wearing here, this is a Pro Logic suit. It's thermal, it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. You have to spray it every year to keep it waterproof. But very good quality. I like the Pro Logic stuff. I've had Pro Logic for years. This is the Mimicry pattern. I've had the stuff when it was just plain green. I've had the stuff when it was real tree patterned. Doesn't make a difference as long as it keeps you dry and keeps you warm. That's what it's there for. So, but again, you don't have to go with Pro Logic. You can go to a discount sports shop, pick up a pair of ski salopettes. So they don't have to be camouflaged. You can pick up normal black ones or blue ones or, you know, whatever colour you want. So you're getting out of paying the angling tax. It's like the kettles and the cookware. I could pick up a Fox 1.5 litre kettle. Fox kettle, you know, with the orange handle, and they'll market this for like 30 quid. But you can go online onto eBay and look for a company with a different name. In this case, it's called Fire Maple, and you will find the exact range of Fox cookware, but it's called Fire Maple, and it's half the price of what you'll pay for Fox cookware. Now, does a Fox emblem on your kettle mean your tea tastes any better? No. Do I care if it has Fox or Fire Maple? No. As long as it boils the kettle, or boils the water, that's what its job is. I'm all for kind of making my money go as far as it can. But anyway, enough ranting. I'm going to make another cup of tea because it is bloody cold. Still no fish. It's gone 20 past 2. Still no fish. Is it 20 past 2? It's gone 20 past 1 and no fish. I thought it was 20 past 2. The guys on the jetty that were beside me, they've pulled it and gone home. Part of me thinks about moving across to the jetty and fishing where they were, but I can't really be bothered moving. Just made myself a hot beverage. just chilling out. I haven't even had a drop run, which makes me think that even if I did move across to there, it wouldn't make a difference. There wouldn't exactly be, you know, many fishing out. Where that guy was casting his bait was literally kind of, you know, 10 foot from where I'm putting it. So if they're not getting, or if they didn't get anything, they said they didn't get anything. They were there, you know, since first light. It's a strange day. Every now and then the rain will come on. Like right now it's beginning to rain, I can feel it. But the sky is like, you know, sunny blue. So don't know what's going on. Weird. You'll notice on the channel I'm trying to make it a little bit more professional, a bit better for you guys watching it. I went away and spoke to Matt from Fanter Fishing, and he designed me a little logo for the channel. This one. And as I was joking with Matt, or not with Matt, with a couple of my friends, I sent them a picture of the logo on WhatsApp, and they were kind of like, you know, that's pretty cool, we like that. I'm very happy with it. I'm like, that was pretty cool, I do like it. I said to one of my friends, you know, I'm going to maybe get a hoodie with it and put on the back, if you can read this, you're too close. Sort of you know, leave me alone sort of thing. I'm fishing. He's got a new business venture where he's printing hoodies and t-shirts and stuff like that there. So he sent me a knock-up of a hoodie with the design and everything on it. This thing here. So I can't help but feeling that the channel is it's growing a little bit fast. Well, I think it's growing fast. We're going to get, or I'm planning to get some, you know, patches, stickers or something like that made up. But I think it's more so a bit of a laugh, you know. I always kind of took the piss out of these people with their name on their polo shirt and everything, you know, like the pretentious wanker and stuff like that there. So now I'm going to be doing it myself. I'm going to be a hoodie wanker. But, oh well, it's all a bit of a laugh.
2 hours later.
It's time to call it a day. This wind's killing me. I did have a run on my third rod, the Orange Max, the Orange Roach. I did have a run on it. It wasn't very big, I'd say about maybe 5 or 6 pound. I just hooked it in the water. I wasn't sticking my hand in it. I wasn't wanting to fanny about putting cold hands into freezing cold lake water too much, so it's been a tough day. Jesus. But on the grand scheme of things, the new drop arms, yeah, they work a treat. It's just been a miserable day. The wind, it's hard to fish, it's hard to, you know, the wind's in your face constantly. It's just been constantly thumping the whole day. It's got to the point now where I can't feel my hands. So it's time to pack up, go home and have a cold beer and a hot bath. So you're obviously watching my videos and you're either enjoying them or you're not enjoying them. I can gather by the comments most of you are enjoying what you see. I want you all to do me a favour if you can, and that is to like, leave comments, share the videos to like Facebooks and whatever. It really helps me out. As you know, I'm in a bit of a race with another YouTuber to grow the channel by a certain amount. So 2020, we have to add 5,000 subscribers to the channel, and I will win a bottle of whiskey. I like whiskey. So if you're watching this and you like what you see, then give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and maybe even if you haven't already, think about subscribing. Cheers guys.